In hospitals around the world, something remarkable is happening. A quiet revolution. Artificial intelligence is taking the place of human doctors. It starts with data. Thousands of scans, blood tests, and case histories. AI systems learn fast, faster than any human ever could. And soon, they begin to diagnose diseases with unmatched accuracy. In some hospitals, robots already perform surgeries. With steady, tireless hands. Patients wait, not for doctors, but for algorithms. Studies show that AI detects early signs of cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart conditions, better and faster than most professionals. Cold logic. No emotions. No distractions. Just pure precision. Human doctors are being sidelined. Some resist. Others quietly step away, replaced by code and circuits. But something is lost. Empathy. Compassion. The warmth of a voice saying, "I understand." Can a machine ever give that? AI doesn't just diagnose. It plans treatments, predicts risks, and monitors progress in real time. Every heartbeat, every cell, tracked, anticipated. For some, this feels like hope. A second chance. A longer life. For others, it feels hollow. Hospitals are becoming data centers. Human error is disappearing. And so are human jobs. In the near future, some hospitals may no longer need doctors at all. Just machines. And the people who maintain them. AI systems are now predicting global disease outbreaks. Before they happen, they see patterns we can't. They work 24/7. They never forget. So here's the question. When the last human doctor steps away, will we be safer? Or will we have crossed a line we can't come back from? This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. And it's only just beginning. If this made you think, leave a like and subscribe before the machines do.